Hezbollah has also released a new video showing an FPV drone striking an Israeli Merkava tank in southern Lebanon. Rockets launched by Hezbollah can be seen illuminating the night sky above Israeli-occupied Haifa and Acre. Those are the visuals coming in on your screens, viewers. Hezbollah has released new video of FPV drone strikes in Israel, and in fact the Israeli military has also issued a statement. The Israeli military has said that residents of the village of Sajad in southern Lebanon should leave immediately, as Israeli forces will act against it forcefully. It said residents must evacuate the village located in the Jizin district of Nabatea Governorate and move north of the Zaharani River. The Zaharani River is located some 50 kilometers north of southern Lebanon's border with Israel, and Israeli forces have warned all residents of southern Lebanon to move north of this location. Malika, this is altogether a different theater of the war that we are seeing. The strikes from Israel on Hezbollah and from Hezbollah back at Israel, southern Lebanon, of course. And I would request you to take your mind back to the a few months ago when there were celebrations really in Lebanon, saying in south of Litani River, Hezbollah has been completely decimated. What we are seeing is a wave of missile strikes now towards Israel from the south of the Litani River. Were those celebrations premature then?
Absolutely, Kriti. This brings me to the point where Mr. Trump last year during Operation Midnight Hammer had conveniently declared that Iran's nuclear arrangement, the uranium enrichment and their entire nuclear infrastructure had been struck down by the US military. And then fast forward to this year where they are continuously bombarding Iran and its infrastructures and giving the explanation to the US Congress saying that it's still doing the nuclear enrichment. Similarly goes to how Israel wants to kill two birds with one stone. The entire axis of resistance, with the help of the US, Israel is trying to clear the entire axis of resistance, be it Hezbollah, Hamas, Houthis, and Iran itself. So it's trying to target all these infrastructure with the help of the US, because it knows that you never know that later on US might not help them. So they are taking an advantage of this position. They are continuously targeting the civil infrastructure even in Lebanon. Now they want the southern Lebanon because that's where the Israelis can put foot on the ground. They don't share a border with Iran, but they share a border with the southern Lebanon. They are trying to, Kriti, separate the northern Lebanon from southern Lebanon. And a few days back I was seeing they had blasted one of their missiles had struck the bridge which connects southern Lebanon with northern Lebanon. So that entire bridge now, both the northern and the southern part of the country have been cut off from each other. That bridge has been destroyed, and they want the southern Lebanon to act as their buffer, Kriti.
Yes.
So they want to take over the southern Lebanon like they took West Bank. So it's something similar that Israel is trying to do here, and with the help of America now it's conveniently possible for them, which was not possible last year.
Yeah.
Because they were fighting Hezbollah alone.